Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data. Back up everything now to an external drive or cloud. Once done, run Smart immediately with a reliable tool and record key metrics like percent life, reallocated sectors, and uncorrectable errors so you know severity. Make sure the SSD is on a direct SATA or USB 3.0 port with stable power. Flaky adapters can mimic drive failure. After these checks, you'll have the info needed to decide the next repair steps. You now perform deeper diagnostics. Run a full Smart extended test and the manufacturer's diagnostic suite, exporting logs so you can compare before and after. Once you have a stable report, update the firmware only with the vendor tool. Firmware updates can fix controller bugs but require uninterrupted power. If Smart shows many reclaimable blocks, consider a secure erase, trim, or setting over provisioning to reclaim performance, but make sure any erase is only done after final backups. You finish by cloning the SSD and reinstalling the OS if repairs didn't restore reliability. Cloning preserves a working system state. Once back in use, monitor Smart attributes daily for 2 to 3 days to catch regressions like new reallocated sectors or thermal issues. If the drive's health percentage falls below a manufacturer-specified threshold or write failures continue, replace the SSD promptly. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.